my beautiful people. Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night, depending on your time, wherever you are. I am Chikwado Precious. And my channel name is Chikwado Space. So, today I just want to do a review of what I bought. I just feel to show you or to tell you about that. So, but before then, I want to thank my old and my new subscribers, those who are supporting this particular channel. See, I'm just starting new in this channel, and those who saw my channel, who do subscribe, I do thank you so much. You people don't know how happy I am. Those who come to my areas to visit me when I'm live, and those who supported in one way or the other, I say thank you so much. But if today is your first day of seeing my video, I ask you welcome. But do me well to subscribe to this channel. Promote this channel, subscribe, share, comment. If you have any question, you can also ask. I love you all. And I just want to use this opportunity once again to tell you what I do in my channel. I'm a mother of 4, and I live in Germany with my family. So, and I'm the type of person that likes to cook. I like too much to cook. I like to cook. Cooking is my hobby. In fact, I like it. So I do cook in my channel. I do show my family lifestyle. I do show you what is happening in my whole country, Nigeria, Biafra land, or in Nigeria as a whole. So that is what I do in my channel. So, and some other things concerning life, family lifestyle. So that is what you will be seeing, and I promise to make you to laugh, promise to make you forget all your worries and all things. So I don't want to make this video to be too long. I want to show you what I bought. See here with me. I don't know if you can see it. This is my first day of using this, but I see some people use it. Before I do use frying this machine to fry with oil, but I think that one is not too heady enough. I saw this online. I say, oh, I want to buy this, I want to order this, because it will make you to reduce some excess fat. The type of person that I do like to do some fry things, you understand? So I decided to buy this online. I ordered it online, and it came today. No, it came yesterday night, but there's no time to do this. I said, let me show you this. I've opened it and see it is good. I said it's good for me to show you too, in case if you can like it. Those who don't like too much eating fat food, you can also try this. It is very good. So let's open it and see. Let me just show you all about this. You can see it's not everything here you can understand. It was written with Dutch language, so you cannot understand, but I will explain it for you. So let's go on and open it. This is how it is, my guys, my friends. This is how it comes. Can see? Let me bring it out, and then I will show you how the inside is. I like this. From now onwards, I will not much fat food, and I'm happy. So you can see how it is. This is medium size. There is another one that is bigger, a bit bigger than this. There's another one that is a bit bigger than this. This is the second one. So let's go on and open it. So let's go on and see how it is. Just in fact, just open it from here. You can see. This is where you put your pomas or pan-fries. When you put it here, or your meat, whatever you want to fry or whatever you want to bake. This is for baking and frying. It's 2 in 1. You can bake something here. You can also fry, but it's without oil. It's without oil. It's very, very nice without oil. You can see it. It's low, so like this. And then you have to, this is where you can plug it. Then you plug it somewhere. Just plug it. Let's see here. Let me just plug it here. So when you plug it, when you on it, then it will begin to work. But now I don't have anything to bake or to fry. So I will just remove it back from light. So guys, this is all about this. I just love this. I just love this. You can see, and you can still, if you have dishwasher, you can still wash it in the dishwasher. There is a way you will lose this and wash it in the dishwasher. It's very, very good. It's very, very good, guys. I love this. I love this. No more eating too much oily food, guys. So happy for this. So happy for it. See how the inside is. You can see here. Just have something like boiler inside here. It's a very nice thing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Support this channel. God will support you. I mean, God will support you. Whatever you put in this channel, you will surely get it back. So thank you so much for watching once again. Bye. Bye.